Hey everybody, it's Neil and I got this here. This is the NeilMed, it's got a great name because my name is Neil as well. And I'm going to show you guys how this works. So you get this package here, and in here you get like these little mini packets, and it comes with, I don't know how many there are, 50 packets in here. You fill this up with like lukewarm water, I guess up to that line. You put the packet in, close it up, shake it up, and then you squirt this up into your nose. I'm not going to do it because it's just disgusting. You guys don't need to see it coming up. But holy mackerel, it comes out the other side, and it comes out with all the goop and stuff like that. It totally clears out a nose, and it feels good. And man, I'll be blowing my nose, like getting crap out for like, I don't know, 5 minutes after this is over. So it's really cool. So I like it. I'm trying to get this to try to clear out my nasal stuff so I don't sound so nasally, and so I don't snore so much is kind of the goal as well. But it's cool. I like it. So I'm going to say thumbs up for me on the NeilMed Sinus rinse. Totally cool.